everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. If you're new here, I'm glad that you're joining me. I'm just going to go through my grocery haul that I did for this week. We actually did two. We did Sam's Club and also the Kroger grocery pickup. So I'm going to just go through the items randomly. I'll say where I got the items. They're kind of mixed up here on the countertop. So we will just jump right into it. And well, first of all, the two meals that we're going to do this week, it's a toss-up between either chicken fajitas or taco bowls. My husband's wanting taco bowls. I know we did that a couple of videos back, but I have the stuff to make the chicken fajitas as well. And then the other meal is going to be lasagna. I'm going to do zucchini lasagna boats for myself, and then my husband will have a regular lasagna that we make separately. So that's the meal plan for the week. And let me just get right into this. So I'm going to go through the frozen foods first. So first of all, at Sam's Club I picked up this big bag of broccoli Normandy, which this has 4 smaller bags in there, and we like to use this to roast for veggies. It is 0 points on all plans. And then I got 2 bags of the riced cauliflower, which I use this to make like a cauliflower dip to go along with my chicken fajitas with Rotel in it. It's really good. I can't wait to show y'all that. I also got some frozen chicken fries. These are for my granddaughter. She loves those. And I think that is all of the frozen food. Now, let's jump into fruits and veggies. So I got some blueberries every week for lunch. I always take fruit. I have cantaloupe, pineapple, and blueberries. So I got my blueberries. I got those at Sam's Club. And I got this huge, beautiful pineapple at Sam's Club. I can't wait to open this and see if it is ripe as it looks. And here is my cantaloupe. I also got the cantaloupe at Sam's Club as well. And then in the afternoons for snacks, I always like to have bananas. So I got a bunch of bananas at Sam's. And I think that's all of the fruit that I got at Sam's Club. For vegetables at Sam's, I got these mini cucumbers. I got these for my husband. I actually do not like cucumbers, but I thought that he would like these as a little snack. And then I also picked up bell peppers. I always eat bell peppers in my scrambled eggs and have them diced and ready to go for eggs or for my pizzas. And then we will use these also in the chicken fajitas. Okay, for the rest of the produce, I picked that up at Kroger. I got 2 things of the green leaf lettuce. We love these. I use it every day on my sandwiches, and then we will also use it for our taco bowls. That will kind of be the base of my taco bowl. And then I got some baby spinach because the lasagna boats that I'm going to make for myself calls for baby spinach. So I got a bag of that. And then I got 3 zucchini because we'll have this for 3 nights. So I'll basically have 1 zucchini each night. And then I got my tomato for my sandwiches. And I think that is all of the produce. Now let's go ahead and do the meats. So I got 2 packs of the lean ground turkey breast. One will be for my lasagna boats, my zucchini boats, and then the other one will be for my taco bowl. Then for my husband, he likes ground beef for his, so I got him 2 packs of ground beef. Same for him. He will make his lasagna with the ground beef and his taco bowl with the ground beef as well. I went ahead and picked up a big pack of chicken breast at Kroger. You really can't beat this price. It's less than $10 for all of these. We won't use all of these for the chicken fajitas. We'll use 3 or 4 of them, and then we'll go ahead and put the rest in the freezer and save those for later. And then at Sam's Club, I picked up some of the Oscar Mayer regular bacon, which this is my favorite bacon. It has not been at Sam's Club in forever, which is the cheapest price to find it. It was $12 and something, I think, so I definitely got a box of that. Every morning for breakfast, I have 2 eggs, 2 pieces of bacon, and some egg whites. That's pretty much all the fat that I eat for the day. The rest of the day is pretty much all low-fat meals. So I do enjoy my bacon still. And I think that's, oh, the other meat that I got was our deli meat. So I always have a turkey sandwich every day during the week, and then my husband wanted ham. So that gets all of the meat. Well, we did get some turkey pepperoni for our pizzas. 2 more bags of those, which these, in my opinion, are the best ones for your points. You get 16 slices for 1 point. That is a serving. I picked up some more of the non-fat Greek yogurt. That's a staple. I always have to have that. I picked up some of this vegan queso dip. This is really for my little granddaughter. She loves this stuff when she comes to stay with us. And she'll eat my baked Tostitos with that. I got 5 things of my grape Crystal Light. As you know, I usually always get 3 or 4 of these each week, but they were on sale at Kroger for $1.99, so I got 5 of those. And I picked up my sandwich thins. These are for my sandwiches. For the week, they are 4 points on the blue plan for each one. So that is a 4-point lunch for me. I love that. Okay, other things that we picked up. I got a bag of Santitas for my husband. I use baked Tostitos whenever we eat chips, but he likes the Santitas. At Sam's Club, I picked up this double pack of the Olay Extreme Wellness Wraps, which I didn't really need those. I had another pack. I don't know, did these freeze well? Can y'all say in the comments? I'm a little worried that they're going to go bad before I end up using them. I didn't realize I had a pack that had not been opened. I also picked up a box of Pop-Tarts. This is for my husband. He eats this for his breakfast every day. I know that's so healthy, but that's what he has where he works. And then I picked up these egg whites from Sam's Club. This is a great price. You get 6 of these small cartons in here at $6 or $7. And I use a lot of egg whites during the week. I also picked up a big box of my Fiber One brownies, which I love those. I have one of those every day. We picked up some dishwashing detergent, the Finish Power in One, and then some Star Wars cereal to try. Thought that looked kind of cute. Thought that would be something fun to try for us and for our granddaughter. And then my husband likes to make lemonade, so we got 2 of these big things of the real lemon juice from Sam's Club as well. And then the only other thing I got at Sam's was the mustard, and we do use the mustard every day for our sandwiches, so we would definitely use that up. A couple of other things I picked up for our lasagna. I got some cottage cheese. This is just the Kroger brand fat-free cottage cheese. And then I picked up some shredded Parmesan because for the lasagna boats it does call for some of that on top. And I got the Newman's Own Saccaroni spaghetti sauce. I know we can make 0-point sauce, but really when I'm eating the zucchini and not the noodles, I don't mind using a few points for sauce. This should be 6 servings in here. And then if I need to, I can add a little bit of tomato sauce and season it up if we need a little bit more sauce. And then I got some of this La Mexican salsa. This will be for the taco bowls. I love this. And then also, to make our tacos, we love these Frontera sauces. This is the taco skillet sauce. This really makes your tacos taste great. We'll also use taco seasoning, which I stocked up on that last week. I got a couple of extra packets, so I didn't have to get any more of that. Whenever we make fajitas, we'll also use this Frontera fajita sauce, and this is really good. This ends up making the fajitas using the whole packet with the peppers and the chicken. I think it comes out to 1 point per serving on the blue plan. I got some more of the Taco Bell hot sauce. This is great. If you haven't tried it, it is 0 points. And my husband got him some of the Tostitos salsa con queso at Sam's Club last night too. 3-pack of that. I got his lemonade that he likes to make. And then we got a couple of cans of black beans. These will be for the taco bowls. I'll drain and rinse those and put them in the bowl along with some whole kernel corn. These I will drain and rinse and put in the bowls with the taco meat, and then that'll be ready. We'll just have to warm it up. I got a couple of cans of Rotel. This will be for the cauliflower rice. Whenever we do the chicken fajitas, we like to put this in with the cauliflower rice, and that makes a great side and saves on some of the carbs and points. And then I got a bag of sugar. That's for my husband's lemonade. He still gets to eat sugar, unlike most of us. And I know that we can't eat sugar on Weight Watchers or WW, whatever, but I tend to stay away from sugar because it makes me just crave more of it. So I picked up some more of my Heinz no sugar added ketchup. I love that. And then for my husband's lasagna, since we're going to make a small one, we got these oven ready lasagna pieces, and it'll make like a perfect little 8x8 square, and that will be his lasagna for the week. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me and watching my grocery haul video. Hopefully it will be up here in a couple of days. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and like it and hit that notification bell. It really helps me out. I'm trying to grow my channel. And recommend my channel to some of your friends if you think that they can get some tips from me as well. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all for my next video, which will probably be the Sunday meal prep, and that will be out later this week as well. Have a great day. Thanks. Click like, click subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.